This isn't just a Ferrari, it's the rebirth of Italian speed electrified. Welcome to Wheels of Tomorrow. Subscribe now because the future of cars starts right here. The 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB is more than a car. It's a declaration that Ferrari's soul still burns bright in the electric age. At first glance, it's unmistakably Ferrari sharp, compact, and sculpted with intent. Every curve tells a story of aerodynamics and artistry, a design meant to slice through air and ignite passion in anyone who sees it. Under the lights, the 296 GTB glows with a depth that only true craftsmanship can achieve. The hybrid era has arrived, and Ferrari leads it not with compromise, but with confidence. Our detailing begins with precision. The first touch, a thick layer of snow foam blanketing the Rosso Corsa body, revealing the deep red that made Ferrari a legend. As the foam drips away, it exposes a surface that shimmers like liquid fire. Each panel, each reflection, becomes a reminder that perfection lies in the detail. The microfiber cloth glides smoothly, removing the smallest traces of dust. The paintwork, once dulled by time and air, now mirrors the sky itself. The 2026 update introduces a revolutionary nano-ceramic coating that bonds on a molecular level. It's not just protection, it's transformation. Light bends differently on the surface, reflections sharpen, and the finish gains that unmistakable Ferrari glow, the kind that makes people stop and stare even from a distance. When the detailing light hits the surface, you don't just see red. You see layers of passion, power, and performance brought to life. We move to the wheels forged perfection in motion. Every spoke tells a story of engineering mastery, each brake caliper finished with Ferrari's signature yellow accent. The cleaning process here is surgical. Iron remover, degreaser, and precision brushes reveal the metallic beauty beneath. The Pirelli P0 tires are treated with a soft satin finish, restoring the deep black look that complements the car's aggressive stance. No shortcuts, no overspray. Every inch deserves the same level of respect as the badge it wears. Inside, the 296 GTB feels like stepping into the future, yet it remains undeniably Ferrari. Minimalistic, but emotional. The dashboard curves around the driver like a cockpit, wrapped in premium leather and carbon fiber. Our interior detailing begins with compressed air to lift the dust from tight seams and vents, followed by gentle microfiber wiping on every digital screen. The steering wheel, Ferrari's control center, receives special care. It's cleaned, conditioned, and polished until the prancing horse emblem gleams under the cabin lights. We apply a light leather balm across the seats, letting the aroma of fine Italian hide fill the air once more. The cabin regains that signature Ferrari scent, a mix of leather, craftsmanship, and adrenaline. It's not just cleaning, it's preservation of identity. Every press of the start button, every flick of the paddle shifter deserves to feel brand new. And then the masterpiece, the engine bay. Beneath the glass, the twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 sits alongside a compact electric motor. Together, they produce an astonishing 819 horsepower. The detailing here demands care and respect. A fine mist of cleaner is gently wiped away from the carbon fiber covers, revealing the intricate lines of Italian engineering. When you hear it start, it's not just noise, it's an orchestra. The sound begins with a quiet hum, the electric motor whispering power, and then the V6 roars to life, merging both worlds into one breathtaking sound. Out on the road, the 296 GTB transforms. The steering is razor-sharp, the throttle response instant. Hybrid power doesn't mute the Ferrari spirit, it amplifies it. Every acceleration feels like being launched into the future. Every curve, a dance between human control and digital precision. The car's body glides effortlessly through air, the electric torque filling the gaps where combustion pauses. Its performance refined by intelligence, emotion fused with technology. The final stage of detailing is the finishing wax, a thin layer applied by hand, circular motion after circular motion, sealing every bit of beauty beneath a protective gloss. As the microfiber towel slides over the hood, the Ferrari badge stands proudly at the center, a symbol of legacy and innovation. The reflection is perfect, the kind of shine that belongs in showrooms and dreams alike. Detailing the 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB isn't about making it clean, it's about giving respect to what it represents. A connection between past and future, between mechanical heartbeats and electric silence, between art and speed. Every inch of this car tells a story of evolution, and when it's complete, you don't just see a Ferrari, you see the next generation of automotive perfection. You've just witnessed the art of tomorrow today. Like, share, and subscribe for more supercar transformations videos daily.